Hey guys, welcome to the HTML for Dummies tutorial. I'm your teacher code guy, and today we will be looking on the basics and fundamentals of HTML. Now, before I dive into the video, I'm just going to put this out there. HTML is not a programming language. HTML means hypertext markup language, which, as the name says, HTML is simply a markup language. And the difference between a programming language and a markup language is that a programming language uses script or code to perform functions, while a markup language uses tags to identify content. And tags, what is that? We'll get into that shortly. So let's dive straight into the video. So before you, I have the basic structure of every HTML document out there. This is literally the structure. You have the HTML tags, then you have the head tag, the body tag, the title tag. So yes, the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is the HTML tag. So I want you guys to visualize. Imagine a sandwich, right? What's one thing every sandwich has to have? Bread. It isn't a sandwich if there's no bread. So in an HTML document, the HTML tags is like the bread of the document. It has to be there. I want you guys to see an HTML document as a sandwich and the HTML tags as bread. Everything goes inside of the HTML document and nothing goes outside of it. So the first tags you want to enter when you're about to write your HTML document, guys, is the HTML tag. Alright guys, so now that we have gone through the HTML tags, the second set of tags you guys would love to put in your HTML document, well you have to, is the head tag. And the head tag it represents the document's header, which can keep other tags like the title tag, which is here, or the link tag. Separate and apart from that, the head tag contains metadata used by search engines like Google to find a web page. So whatever you guys put into your head tag, when someone, say your head tag has Naruto, and someone types in Naruto on Google, based on your head tag, your web page will pop up first. So yeah, the information that you put in a head tag is critical when it comes on to people discovering a website. So that's basically the head tag. So we've gone through the HTML tag, the head tag. Now we're going to go through what is the title tag. And it's very simple. So this is part of your web page that is called the tab. And I'll show you what that is. So we're opening Google Chrome and being not this right here, this information right here is what I move this where Bing.com is, and you have the X and you have the little image here. That is called your tab. So say you want to change the name of your tab in your website. That is where this tag comes in, and I'll show you in a bit an example when we're building our first blog. So when the title is displayed, it is not as a visual part in the sense that it is not obviously visual on the screen. It only serves as an indicator title for the page. And it should serve as a concise summary of what your web page is about. So that's the title tag, guys. Let's move on to the body tag. So you have the HTML tag, the head tag. In the head tag, you have the title tag. But after the head tag, after closing your head tag, what follows is the body tag. All visual structural elements are contained within the body tag. So like headings, paragraphs, lists, quotes, images, and links. Those are just a few of the elements that can be contained within the body tag. And we'll show you that further down along the line or in our next video. So this is the basic structure of a HTML document. Now let's get into building our first blog. So now that we have an overview of the basic structure of an HTML document, what each tag does, so let's build our first web page or our first little blog. So what I'm going to do is file, save as. So this right here, well, all right, let me come off. This right here is what they call a skeleton file. It's only text file. So now, in order for it to be a web page or for it to be visible in a browser, we will have to save it to an HTML extension. So we're going to replace the txt with HTML. Let's call it first blog. We'll just save it in the desktop. So save. And now we're going to open it in Google Chrome. So we're going to right click it, open with, and go in Google Chrome. So that's our first blog. So let's split screen here. Over there. That's over there. So first thing I'm going to do, this is name based on the name of the document. So let's change it to my first blog. File, save. When you reload it, changes to my first blog. So the title tag changes the name in the tab. This is the tab as I stated before. So let's go into body. Now I'm going to introduce a new tag to you guys called the paragraph tag. And it is represented by a P. Paragraph tag basically, oh, okay, no, we don't want to do that. Paragraph tag, that's where you can put text in a more neat format. So, hi, my name is Code Guy. This is my first blog. Full stop. So, I'm going to show you guys something. Unless it's saving by itself, it doesn't automatically make the changes. If you reload it, it's going to be the same. So, I always save it, guys. Save, then you reload, and you say, hi, my name is Code Guy, this is my first blog. And that's it, guys. So that's our first blog, and this is the end of the HTML overview.